Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to showing the RovyVon product E80. So this is marble and this is black. So it has a very good clip. So you can use for two ways. So the design you can see is very slim. So you can just put it in your pocket and without any hesitation. So from this video, I'm going to show you how to use the UV light. The UV light is front and it has long range. So just double tap and you can see the spot here is very large. So comparing for the side light, you can also use it. So this is a side light, this is the main light. You can see from the very long range, you can see the very close. So it depends on how you use this. So if you want to check something very far away, you can just use the front light. Our EDC flashlight, so this is the most powerful UV in our product line. You can check this from very long range. You can see it's very clear. The red line over there. So you can also see there is something in the paper. So that is very clear. So this is our UV light. For more information, you can check out our website, link down below. So thanks for watching. See you next video.